Go ahead.
Water break.
What the f is going on, YouTube?
Yo.
Tonto, what is it? Tonto Vlogs.
Tonto Vlogs. I thought it was Tonto Performance. Well, hey, we need a title for the show. It's our first vlog, and we need y'all to comment. Give us a good title. We Tonto Vlogs, Tonto Performance. I don't know. Let us know.
Oh, don't tell me you died, bro.
Oh man, how you come not prepared?
Bro, shit. I was supposed to be charging this.
Get up to the windshield, charge it up.
What does it mean, bro? Oh, it's still recording. I just went black.
Oh, the screen. We're gonna do outtakes and all that shit.
Yeah. Corte.
Now back to your regularly scheduled program.
What are we doing today? Some little project. A little mods over here. Cam, bed, intake. Transport. New project. Beautiful video of the truck.
Bucket dog. Only like three inch.
Huh?
3 inch.
That's a 3/8.
Wrench.
It is a wrench.
Fucking $16. What the fuck? motherfuckers left. The whole beach, bro. I thought we would be done by now, no? Y'all gave the wrong niggas money.
Hey, let's go right here.
Hell no. You got the things to take the gas lines out? David said he eats ass from the back camera guy in the cab. Word on the street.
I put peanut butter on that shit.
Lick it.
Me personally, I put Denny.
You gotta take the radio out.
Yeah. The cam's too long. That's what she said. David, you gotta talk, dog. The
cameraman.
boring as fuck. We don't have to time lapse this bitch.
Y'all gotta talk.
Hell no. You gotta talk. Camera guy always talks. Keeps the conversation going, dog.
What you doing right now?
Taking a boat out.
For what?
Fuel. It's your shit. You fuck with Special Cool?
Why?
Nice and green.
Yeah.
Well,
Why you like him?
Huh?
You like him?
Nah, I don't like that. Oh! Goddamn!
Good.
Goddamn!
Did you get that?
That
Yeah.
bitch squirted right now.
I did get that.
Goddamn, bro. I forgot that shit did that.
You good?
Yeah. Ah. Goddamn, bro. She's a squirter. You got it?
I don't know, man. You said you've done it before. It look like it.
Bitch, I'm tired. That shit hurt, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I gotta be great. What's next? The other side? Watch out.
Well, let's just get the radio out to have more space. You're working ass backwards.
I'm trying to let the motor cool down.
Why was it hot? Why is it hot?
Why is it hot?
Yeah.
Because you drove it? That shit hurt, bro. My eye throbbing right now. Okay.
What the view?
How'd it feel? Nigga, like hurting? Bro, we gotta take the the fucking transmitters out too. You know how to run this shit? The true car?
Nope, but we find out right now.
I hope that shit works because it fell off the cabinet a couple times.
What are these?
12 or something, 14. Hey, why are you taking that off right now? We still got hella lines on this side. We got two trans lines, two radiator lines actually. Some of the clips. Dog, record yourself, bro.
How you guys are doing it?
You can't be anonymous and shit.
At first I have to.
Here, let me see. I'll record you.
No. I'm the camera guy.
The camera's right here. Don't you put the plastic right here so we don't get it manchadas for.
I had some fucking contacts. I don't know where they're at. I think I left them. Usually break? Well,
It clips. You grab the pico and your.
oh yeah.
We gotta take the cover off too.
What color? This one?
You gonna be the camera guy that doesn't talk, dog? That's crazy.
Might have a boring ass video like that.
No cap, bro. Gotta get this nigga.
Now we
hired.
have him.
Gotta get this nigga high or something so he was just giggling in the back or something.
Well, it's worse.
Sure.
Oh,
What?
you!
What?
You be shy as hell on the camera.
Yeah, when I'm not recording. Well, when I'm recording, I mean.
What?
I'm shy when I record. When they record me, I'm like,
So you're shy when you record people?
yeah.
This motherfucker eats ass on the daily.
Nah,
He's
don't
shy.
what the fuck?
But he's shy.
Hell nah, don't. That shit disgusting.
So you tried it?
Huh?
You tried it?
No comment. Corte.